Hello everyone, welcome back to Mr. Random Generator. Today I will be showing you my top 5 favorite Visual Studio Code shortcut keys. So, as you can see, I have Visual Studio Code IDE open right here and I have 3 files. First one is a really basic HTML file with all of the boilerplate stuff. Second and third one are basically just sample text files with lorem ipsum text on it. So, starting off with the first shortcut, we have Ctrl and accent grave. What that does is, as you can see, opens up the terminal, and it is one of the most frequently shortcut keys that I've ever used. So especially this comes in handy when you're working on some server stuff, like you open and closing the hosts and things like that, and you just want to sneak peek the code, see a little bit more. So you just tap the shortcut key and you see more code, and this comes really handy. So moving on with the second shortcut key, which is Ctrl, Shift and F. What that does is basically search whole workspace with the matching keyword that you put into the search bar. Say, as you can see, I put $ previously, so let's keep that up, and we again type that into right there, and as you can see, we have few occurrences. So in our first text document we have 1 occurrence, and in our second text document we have 3. So we can locate them just by pressing on them right in there. So that is also a really neat feature. Moving on with our third shortcut, which is Alt and up or down arrows. So this is especially really useful thing when you write code in the wrong place. So let's say I want to move the title up the meta text, so I hit Alt and hit up arrow 2 times, like so, or down 2 or 3 times. As you can see, it's basically a really basic feature, but it really comes in handy and really useful stuff. So that is that. And the next one we have Ctrl K0 and Ctrl KJ. What that does is folds and unfolds the code. So let me demonstrate it right here real quick. Let's say it's Ctrl K0. As you can see, it collapsed, folded all the code away, so you can see more. I use that when I have multiple functions, so it gets really cluttery when you have all the functions are opened up, and especially if they are big functions, it gets messy really quickly. So I just hit Ctrl K0 and it collapses them all. And if I see one in detail, I hit Ctrl K and J, it expands it back up so I can see it in detail. Moving on with the next one, we have Ctrl and H. It is basically a refactoring shortcut key. So let's say I want to change the $ in this document. I select it and Ctrl H. As you can see, it automatically picks up the highlighted word, and I just replace it by, let's say, random stuff. I don't know, and I hit enter and it replaces one by one. You can also have option to replace it all. So that concludes the 5 shortcuts key that I used most frequently, and I want to give a few bonus shortcut keys. So let's look at them. We have Ctrl and pipe operator in our first item. So I don't know actually the name of the pipe operator in a key manner, so let's go with saying it pipe. What that does is, as you can see, splits up the screen so you can focus on multiple things at once and cross-checking few different stuff. So this is really, again, useful feature. So Next one is we have Ctrl K plus T. So it's just, as you can see, change the theme. So it might come in handy if you change the themes quickly and stuff like that. I know some developers do like to use day theme on daytime and night theme on nighttime. So by doing it this way, you can change it actually quickly. So that is that. So, and we have a few more shortcut keys. We have Alt and click. As you can see, I can click multiple places and write multiple things at the same time. This is also really useful feature to have. And finally, last but not least, we have Ctrl K and S to see all of our shortcuts key available. So they are listed under the key binding and you can search whatever you want. This is actually a really fast approach to learning shortcuts keys. Rather than searching them online, you can just type here and check whatever you like and find it right there. I hope this video helps you. So if you like, please like the video and consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Take care.